Welcome back to Pink Grade. Today, we continue our journey. You've learned how to solve equations with addition. Now, let's look at subtraction. Let's begin. When something is subtracted from the variable, if an equation takes something away from the variable, we do the opposite. We add that number back to bring balance and reveal the value of the variable. This is the heart of inverse operations. When subtraction appears, we respond with addition. Let's begin with an example. A variable -3 equals 7. To solve it, we add 3 to both sides. -3 and +3 cancel each other out. The variable is now alone. On the other side, 7 plus 3 equals 10. So the variable equals 10, and the equation is solved. Another one. A variable -6 equals 12. What should we do? We add 6 to both sides. -6 and +6 cancel out. The variable is left all by itself. Now, on the right side, 12 plus 6 equals 18. The variable equals 18. Here's one more. A variable -5 equals 20. We add 5 to both sides. -5 and +5 cancel out. The variable stands alone. 20 plus 5 equals 25. So the variable equals 25. A variable -8 equals 15. What is the opposite of subtracting 8? We add 8 to both sides. On the left, -8 and +8 cancel. The variable is now isolated. 15 plus 8 equals 23. Therefore, the variable equals 23. What if the variable is on the right? Sometimes, the variable is not on the left. Like this, 9 equals a variable -2. Do not worry. The equal sign is a balance beam. It works both ways. We solve it the same way. We add 2 to both sides. 9 plus 2 equals 11. On the right side, -2 and +2 cancel, and the variable stands by itself. So the variable equals 11. Direction does not matter. Balance does. Let's recap. Take a moment and breathe. Here's what we now know. When a number is subtracted from a variable, we solve the equation by adding that number to both sides. We keep things fair. We keep things balanced. And slowly, calmly, we let the variable stand on its own. That's what solving is. You've now learned how to solve subtraction equations. You are building something strong. Watch next. How to solve multiplication equations.